How to replace a Human Touch Vesta control module. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, remove the head pillow from the chair. Place the remote on the left-hand side of the chair seat, with the cable tucked between the chair arm and the backrest. Disconnect the chair power cord from the power supply by lifting up on the connector lock and then disconnecting the connectors. Gently tip the chair onto its left-hand side. Disconnect the 4 sets of connectors. Remove the strap that secures the control module cables to the left-hand chair frame. Cut the zip tie that secures the control module cables to the left-hand chair frame. Remove the 2 straps and the zip tie that secure the control module cables to the right-hand chair frame. The cables should now be free. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the control module to the backrest actuator. Slide the control module toward the front of the chair to detach it from the actuator. Disconnect the 3 connectors from the control module, then remove the control module. Now, let's replace it. Connect the 3 connectors to the new control module, matching the labels. For the unlabeled connector, align the pins with the sockets before connecting. Align the control module brackets with the corresponding brackets on the backrest actuator, then slide the control module toward the rear of the chair to attach it to the actuator. Replace the screw to secure the control module to the actuator. Replace the 2 straps to secure the control module cables to the right-hand chair frame. Replace the strap to secure the control module cables to the left-hand chair frame. Use 2 new zip ties to finish securing the control module cables to the left and right chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Connect the control module connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair, matching the labels. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Place the head pillow into position, threading the flap through the retaining strap on the back of the chair. Place the remote on the right-hand side of the chair. A magnet holds it in place. Connect the chair's power cord to the power supply, then close the connector lock to secure it. And you're done.